We are playing backpacking today. So let's get into it. Alright, I'm in backpacking today, and we're gonna camp. So let's go over, and we will camp with this. Oh wait, we'll respawn this pink vehicle. Wait, oh, okay. Let's do it somewhere else. To drop. Looks like we're gonna have to use this one today. This is called the main road. Then you will go over here on this road. Just keep driving all the way. Till you get to this circle here. Then you turn to this road. Then you turn to this road. Then you keep driving, and if you mess up, you can always restart. And then you go to wait. I just lost my car. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, I'm going to reset my character. My dad's going to come with me, so let's do this thing. Okay, I'm going to wait for him right here, and I'm going to climb up this ladder. Here, because usually it's full when he tries to get in. Hello, girl. Oh, I thought it was going to say a tornado is forming. Oh, a tornado is forming!
The game's full, so you're going to have to go along.
Okay, a tornado is forming, so let's chase the tornado. I want to get into the tornado. Actually, Daddy, I want to go into it. Alright, let's go into the tornado. Right, let's drive. I want my car to get in.
Hopefully your car will disappear.
Yeah, hopefully my car will. Let's go to waterfall this time. And try to chase the tornado down, maybe at the waterfall. So I don't know if we're gonna get there in time though. You think that we're gonna die? Okay. There we go. And once you get to the main little circle, you turn this way. Then you turn straight. But you don't go up there because wait, let me look at the signs for a minute, make sure I'm going right. The volcano is up this way, then the canyons are up that way. We want to go to the canyons. Yes, we want to go to the canyons, and then we want to go through all the canyons, then to the waterfall. Then we can camp out there. There's a dirt path, and then there's like, I don't know, a lighter path. Just keep going on this path, and you can always respawn up here. I can show you a respawn point up here. You can always respawn up here. Whoa, oh my gosh, that was, okay, so F to flip your car. If you're on a computer and your car flips over, you can always fix it by pressing F. Whoops. And she makes it! Oh my gosh. That was, oh my gosh, I thought, oh! What? How'd that happen? Seriously. Like, guys, do you know how that, happened? Whoa. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a tornado, guys. Do you see that? Literally, my mouse is headed towards it. right? I think, okay, you get out. You cannot drive up to this point, but you can leave it here. You can leave it at that point. And if it runs away, there's always a spawn point right over here. I'll go show you. Okay, here's the spawn point right here. You just stomp on that, and then this comes up. Then you just press that, and then it spawns. So, yeah.
You're going up, Poochie.
Poochie's going to the waterfall. And if you don't know, my name is Ellapoochie in Roblox. So, and we're just gonna keep heading down this way, and I will tell you guys when what the next direction is.
You can see the rings from the hang gliding event in the back.
Oh yeah, you guys, these are the the rings for the hang gliding event. And I think the hang gliding event is going on like right now, because those are only when the hang gliding event is like coming up or going on. So, and I have played this game many times. So, I know like the map and stuff. And to get the map up close, you just press those two buttons, and then, so we are almost there. We're almost there. So, we just have to go over here. I'm jumping because I really don't want like the time to run out of this video. So, yeah. Alright. And there's the waterfall. And if you're wondering why we're going underneath the waterfall, yeah, we're just gonna go underneath over here. Then there's an awesome spot over here that I love to camp at, and tornadoes will never bug you. Or bears, but it could be a bear cave, but I don't believe it. And this is the awesome spot. Now, I'm going to set up my tent here. In tents, you either have this tent or this tent. I usually set up this tent, and how to get this tent, you usually start with one of these tents, but it could be any color. But this tent, I'll show you where to get that tent. Wait. Okay. You get that tent. Oh, in tents. And you get the 500 one. And I bought this one for 500 marshmallows.
Oh, the igloo is cool.
Oh, yeah. But that's for 1,200. Whoa. With the castle one. Guys, there's a castle one. Look at that.
Awesome. So cool.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Okay, so where are you going to set up?
Wait. I see. No.
This is a good spot.
Oh!
Log cabin. That would be nice to have. Huh?
Yeah.
You have to build up a lot of marshmallows for that.
Yeah. Log cabin. Yeah, I really want to put a lot of stuff in there.
This is a great spot for your tent. No bears can get to you like when you set up at the lake that time.
Yeah.
A lot of bears by the lake.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, wait a minute. I can't put it there. Okay, it's green here, but I kind of want it to be like, yes. Wait. No, it's not the right spot. No, that's not the right spot. Wait, is this the right spot? Yes, this is the right spot. But then to turn it, you press R. If you're on a computer and you want to turn it, you press R. What other clues about your camp? Yes, let's look. Other clues. Oh, the red thing. Let's look at the red thing. Oh, wait. I just went through the red thing. Okay. Okay. Let's set up. Let's set up like the decorations. Let's set up this. A tornado is forming. Do you see that? It said a tornado is forming. Well, yeah, but it's still
Another
scary.
good reason to set your tent up inside the waterfall.
Yes.
You'll be safe from tornadoes.
Yes. So, go inside. Then we can put. And how to buy all of this stuff, all of the stuff that you don't have, like these like the couch, these lights, this lamppost, this like
Gazebo.
gazebo,
Oh, sit down.
bed, and then you also you go to store, same thing, and then you go to the let's look for the gazebo. Okay. There's a gazebo. And then the TV, yes, I do have the TV. And when stuff is red, that means that you have it. So I don't have the swing set, I don't have the bridge yet. But yes. Bye. We're gonna end this video here, and I hope you like it. Bye.